In this video, we're going to show you how to install a Clockaudio CUT-4 logic interface. If you have used the CDT100 Mark III before, all of the following will be familiar since the CUT-4 uses the same logic interface as the CDT100 Mark III. The CUT-4 logic interface can be mounted locally under a table. For this, you will need a flat surface to screw both holes through the mounting flange. We recommend that you use a number 6 screw and a type of screw that is applicable to the surface you are attaching it to. You can connect up to 4 LED touch buttons such as the TS003, the TS005, the SWP2, the S80S switch plate, the S80S shock mounts, or any Clockaudio microphones with the embedded RGB touch buttons like the CRMS series and the CSS series microphones, using the RJ45TS ports on the CUT-4. Don't forget to use the included TSC1 with any RGB touch buttons as it is required. Once connected, you can test the functions of each switch with the Clockaudio control panel software application or the test mode, which will be covered later in this video. The CUT-4 can control ARM motorized boundary microphones when used in combination with an ARM controller connected to the RJ12 ARM-C port. You can also control a CCRM motorized ceiling microphone using that same ARM-C port. You can daisy chain up to 6 CUT-4s off of a single Cat5e shielded or Cat6 cable. To do so, you just need to bring the network cable to the first unit in the chain and connect the second port to the second unit and so on. Connect a 12-volt DC power supply to the 12-volt barrel connector. The power light on the front should illuminate green to indicate normal operation. There should also be some activity on the CUT-4 network port LED indicators. You can also daisy chain the power off of a single 12-volt 5A power supply to up to 6 CUT-4s using the Phoenix in and out blocks. The CUT-4 has a very practical test mode that lets you test the buttons independently from your DSP or control system. The test mode can be either activated by using a paperclip and holding it in on the front pinhole labeled test for 5 seconds, or can just be accessed using the Clockaudio control panel software. Once the test mode is enabled, each connected touch switch will turn red. Every time the switch is pressed, the RGB colors will cycle. Once you've tested this, you will have confirmed that your LEDs work, your capacitance of the touch button works, and the TS ports on the CUT-4 also work. To change the CUT-4 control IP, go to Tools, Device Network Settings. Select Static to enter new IP details, or choose Dynamic to revert to DHCP and click OK. A reboot is required for the changes to take effect. Select Yes to reboot. Hope this was helpful. For more information, please visit our website at www.clockaudio.com.